If you're getting the PS4 error code CE-30034-0, then we know how to fix it. Watch this video till the end and learn how to solve it. Hey, you're watching Silicophilic, the home of all tech solutions. PS4 CE-30034-0 error generally appears while trying to run a game. Here we have shown how to easily fix this error. So stick to the end and perform as shown. Before we get into the solution, subscribe to our channel for future tech support. Also, like this video if it helps you solve this issue. Don't forget to comment your feedback on the solutions or if you're facing any issue while performing them. We also have a Facebook group of troubleshooting experts where you can share your tech issues and get direct help. The link to the group is in the pinned comment. Now, let's jump into the solutions. The first thing you can do is remove your PS4 account and add it again and then reinstall the game. Open PlayStation settings. Next, select Account Management. Select Sign Out, and after the account is signed out, sign back in and uninstall your game. Open the game menu and select Uninstall. Remember to sync your achievements and data before uninstalling or you will lose all data. Reinstall the game and check if the error persists. Method 2. Another thing you can try is rebuild the database on your PS4. First, turn off your PS4 and then press the power button for 7 seconds. Now plug in the controller using the USB cable and press the PlayStation button. Select the Rebuild Database option from the screen. Click on OK to confirm it. Wait for it to finish and start your PS4. Check if the issue persists. Method 3. If the error persists, then the next thing you can try is update the system software on your PlayStation. Open Settings and select System Software Update. Wait for your PlayStation to check for updates and install if any new update is available. Method 4. If your PS4 is already updated or updating didn't solve the error, then you will have to reinitialize the PS4. Reinitialize will factory reset the device, so you will have to back up the data first. To back up, open Settings and select Application Saved Data Management option. Backup online or in a USB storage for safeguard. Once you have done a backup, open Settings again and select Initialization. Choose Initialize PS4. Select Full from the next menu. Remember that this will delete all storage data on your PS4. Next, select Initialize to start the process. Method 5. If none of the solutions help, then you may have to change the hard drive on your PlayStation. Memory corruption is one of the possible causes for this error and changing it can fix this problem. So that's it. If this video has helped you in figuring this issue, then give us a like and subscribe to our channel. If the issue isn't resolved from the solutions we have shown here, comment below to let us know and our team will try their best to help you out. Also join our Facebook group for direct tech support. The link to the group is in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching Silicophilic.